When you're negotiating a job offer or a promotion within your current company, how do you know how much money to ask for? With our premium member salary research tool, you can be sure you're in the right ballpark. From the homepage, click Resources, Salary Research. Choose a career title from the left side, select a location, and click Go. Data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics will show you the high, median, and low salary ranges for your area and for the United States. You can even view this data as an hourly wage chart or go back to an annual wage chart, and you can search for available jobs in that area as well. Now you can go into a salary negotiation confident that you're in the correct range for your job title and your location. For more salary negotiation tips, visit our resource center and filter our content using the salary and benefits topic. From there, you'll find everything you need to negotiate a great salary.